You're ready.
I'm do this all the time. Like 1:30, I have my own radio show, so I can talk. So
Okay.
The acupressure point divides so many different countries. So I study many different countries like China, Japan, Korea, Thailand. You know, different, even Western, they have acupressure point. But what I learned is like in China they have 17. But in China when you do pressure point it's only one finger. So it's one finger pressure. But in Japan, you know, Japan is more less than acupressure point. So they do more of not just yin and yang, but more pressure, also one finger, but breathing. Thailand is much more acupressure point because Thailand is, you know, 32 of different pressure point. So in pressure point of Thailand is more of two hand. I like Thailand much better because it's more doing two, because I believe in left and right. It's different positive and negative energy, and also breathing at the same time. So in Thailand they don't doing breathing a lot, but Japan and China they do breathing. So when I get back, I study all this different country. So I put Tiffany 37 acupressure point with breathing. So like example, when you put your hand in one, you take your breath in, and then when you shift, you find that you know, pressure point in the head, because our pressure have from up and down. So you have to find that in the middle. If you want to find out that acupressure is good or not, it's a right point or not, it doesn't feel hurt. Even your finger can go really deep. So when you have that acupressure point, you hold it, you count 1, 2, 3 to 10. Then you release. When you release, your breathing also release at the same time. So it make unbelievable for, you know, all the headache, anti-aging, and that's what I was teaching was anti-aging acupressure point facial. And I have lot of students loving it because it's very calm and you can see the result right away. And then we put them in, you know, of course detoxification is 7 days. Then when we do that 7-day detox plus acupressure point, teaching them how to eat and how to put fibers and release and, you know, all that in the body, and eat all vegetable. And when you put in the patient or client in that program, before you're using technique of massage therapy or acupressure point with their detoxification, it all cupping is so much better result. But if they eat like sugar, carbohydrate, you know, or they bloated, when you do acupressure point is resisting, they will hurt more, and also the result not that much. But if you're teaching your client and you teach your patient, you know, because I'm also a nutritionist, so I always put them in to when they do a treatment, you need to, because the massage therapy, nutritionist or whatever, in touching body, you need to let people know about detoxification. That's why I love acupressure, because it's a lot of relaxing.
Okay.
There you go.